Hi there. Do you know you can make your PC boot faster? Come with me, let me show you how. Click on Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard to display Task Manager interface. On the Task Manager interface, go straight to Startup to display the apps that start when you boot your PC. So on the Startup interface, you could see so many apps here. Some have their status enabled, others have their status disabled. My interest is on the ones that have their status enabled. They have serious effect on the process of the PC. So you go through those apps to see the ones that you do not want to start when you boot your PC. Then you right click on any of them, disable it, or you highlight that particular app. Come down here, then you click on disabled to disable that app. By so doing, make your PC to boot faster. Thank you for your time. See you in my next video.